ikaw ang biktima.
Requesting that song.
Ang gagaling talaga.
There you had it.
There you have it.
May kakanta po ba? May kakanta po. Okay. Anong pangalan yung kakanta? Halika na lang. Naku, ang ito yung magaling...
si Kuya na magaling ng
kumanta.
succession. No?
Magaling pang sumayaw.
Peram po ng...
Mike, please.
Mike Vegas. Mike Enriquez.
Hello, son. Yeah. Do you want some more? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Naman, madam.
Yeah.
Hi! Ang daming fans!
Hello, fans.
Anong pangalan po? Sir,
Yeah.
what's your name?
Uy, grabe, silver na silver
Oo.
yung ngipin.
Ako nga gold eh.
Sana all.
Sir, ano pong pangalan?
Doon, nung tinatanong kanina.
Ano pong pangalan? What's your name?
Lexter.
Ay, English pala si Sir. English.
Dexter pala yung ano, kailangan.
How old are you,
How
sir?
old are you?
How old are you?
Ubing pa, 20.
Ay, Ilocano magaya. Jiglis di mawatan na itay.
Hello, son.
Ikaw, kuya, ha?
Kita man.
22 years old daw.
22 plus 50.
Oh, yun. Yun talaga ang tao.
Grabe
50
naman.
plus.
50 plus? Ayan, galingan mo kuya, ha? Kasi pinapanood ka ng ating mga hurado.
Oo, maraming nanonood sa atin ngayon. Ilan ba ang viewers natin? Sige.
Hello, son.
Hello, sound check.
Yes, sound.
Oo, malakas yung sound, sir.
Yes, again, palakpakan naman natin si Sir
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Lexter.
Yun o.
And here's a song.
Okay.
Pagbutiin mo, sir, ha? Marami kang fans. Huwag mo silang bibiguin. Alright. Come on, people!
When I'm gone, when you take good care of everything, when you pick where is your getting away, when I'm out, reach out to hold me tight and even in your dreams, in your heart, in your life. Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do when love's new. Just for a moment be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. And ever when we far away, the dreams will stay. And someday, after we both just survive the sea, that will bring you back to me.
Come on! Sayo muna kuya, sayo. Sayo kami. Parehas kayo ng step.
Sometimes I want to you like lovers do when love's new. Just for a moment be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. And ever when we far away, the dreams will stay. And someday, after we both lose the fantasies, that will bring you back to me. Sometimes I want to you, lovers do, and love's new. Just in a moment be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. And ever when we far away, the dreams will stay. And someday, after we both just fantasies, that will bring you back to me.
Yes, maraming salamat, sir.
Lexter!
Lexter.
For sharing your talent.
And this time, ayan, merong request si Sir John Abril na kusilapan ka.
Oo.
Kusilapan ka.
Yes. Ayan. Palakpakan naman po dyan. And maraming salamat for inviting us. And especially kadigiti, at dapelang itatang agundawa. Yan, handapay nagawid. Oo. Paano yung gigil ni Sir Lex? Gigil na gigil, ano?
Lagay natin yung mga dollar dito.
Oo.
Dapat yung ano, yung blue bill.
Oo. Tsaka tuloy natin yung kasiyahan hanggang 11 o'clock. Ayan, dahil nag-extend sila ng 1 hour. Yan. Sulitin na natin. Kasi minsanan lang tong ganitong okasyon.
Tama.
Ayan. Magsabi lang po kayo nga naman yung gusto
Oh,
ninyo.
eto na po yung kusilapan ka. Alam mo si Sir John Abril parang bumata.
Oo.
Di ba? Oo.
Parang ngayon lang
parang
natin
teenager.
Ilang buwan lang di lang
Kumpara
natin
nung,
nakita.
kailan ba tayo nagkita ulit nung
September.
December. Last year. Oo.
Oo nga pala. Yung umulan. Yeah.
Pero tignan mo naman.
Yeah.
Every 6 months. Kaya every 3 months, pupunta lang dito sa
Yes,
ano.
at syempre, ito na po ang inyong request.
Here we go.
On Ilocano song. Kusilapan.
may kari na palalong amin ti sakit na daydial daw api manaw ka sa di ka pa'y pulos kimi kalipatan ka na minanuak na barbarik na nga kumablag ko ag subli ka hindi naglata kinit kita Into nagsarak ka Pasilaban ka Ipasulik ka kay mata Ako itakin ka Sakto ba'y bangado Kaya ipababa Kastang to parang ibalik na Anak yagak nga ka Ipasulit ka kay mata Ako itakin ka Sakto ba'y bangado Kaya ipababa Kastang to parang ibalik na Anak yagak ngawan ka Amok nga babawi ka na amiris mo nagtitagdaw I mean, sorry damage has been done Dimnet timpagarup sa maiptunan Balay kiket masarakan Kalpasan nga syakit panawan Into nagsarap ka Pasilaban ka Ipasulit ka kay mata Ako itakin ka Sakto ba'y bangado Kaya ipababa Kastang to parang ibalik na Anak yagak ngawan ka Yeah, kinapay suwalan na Maililiwag lagtakin ka Pareng no kabaylak to Nga namiten na Ito nagsarik ka Pasilaban ka Ipasulit ka kay mata Ako itakin ka Sakto ba'y bangado Kaya ipababa Kastang to parang ibalik na Ang mapyagak ngawan ka Yes, thank you so much, Sir Jan Abriol. Baka may other song request ka pa, Sir Jan Abriol.
Ayan, may request si Sir na creep. Oo. Yung I'm a creep.
Ayan, tapos na po yung kusilapan ka. May mga request pa ba dyan?
Ayan, may mag-guest singer daw.
Okay, tawagin na natin.
Si Sir Arnel.
Sir Arnel, asan ka?
I think siya yung nandun sa table na yun.
Standby lamang po sa request ni Sir na creep.
Masasayawin ko silang lahat, ha? Andrea, para sa ito, ha? Oh, sayaw, ha? Sayaw.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Hello. Hello. Oh, ang galing. Galing ko sumayaw. Galing ko gumalaw. Galing ko sumayaw. Galing ko gumalaw. Galing ko sumayaw. Bibong gumalaw. Mata, tinuan ako ng lolo ng tango. Pasa doble tumba, tinuro ng tatay ko. Pinagsama-sama ko, kaya ako ngayon bibong-bibo. Kaya ang tawag nila sa akin, Totoy Bibo. Ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong gumalaw.
Sige po nga, come on.
Lagi akong niyayaya tuwing may fiesta, benta. Lahat lumuluwa benta, pag ako'y nakikita, palapit na. It's so good, it's so good, no, it's with me. Remember me, remember me, remember me, Totoy Bibo. Ah, galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong gumalaw. Di ko mapililan yung ogyong ako sa tuktok. Lahat ay linda, sumasabay, kahit Totoy Bibo. Kahit Totoy Bibo. Galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong gumalaw. Oh, galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko sumayaw, gumalaw. Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong gumalaw.
Galing kong sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, bibong gumalaw.
Okay, may request si Sir Abril Balse daw. Balse. Tagsasalatay ka no. Balse.
Ang cute-cute naman ni Sir. Sir, sumayaw ka na po.
Oh, eto na, Balse, Balse.
Situpay di damdamo, kahit ka masirpa, basta malatay kalaya, kalaman sen ka
di ka mapuros, pati patong pala. Natuwag na pintas mo, ngayon ingutin muna. Ika'y umalayasan ko, lutong tehi patay. Agayat kaitan, kakasat sa diwang pay. Yan tangay at tuya, nga tay dagat. Anay kawit ang pintas mo, ngayon ingutin muna. Ika'y umalayasan ko, lutong tehi patay. Agayat kaitan, kakasat sa diwang pay. Yan tangay at tuya, nga tay dagat. Yan tangay at tuya, nga tay dagat. Narika na tuog biyag itihawan. Trabaho lakad kalayo, ikabagyan at surat dumawa. Ibagana kaya't naagatan. Agrika mangrikna ka kabagyan. Surusuruin tiyan trabaho, di mo sagsaglutin nagtulak mo. Tapno rumang ay biyag mo. Di dalaan mo, riga ang trabaho. Di paetima, makut-kut di na mudo. Inaganda at ramang pa'y domingo. Rin-rin-rin na kalalo, ito'y hay kausap ko. Narika na tuog biyag itihawan. Trabaho lakad kalayo, ikabagyan at surat dumawa. Ibagana kaya't naagatan. Agrika mangrikna ka kabagyan. Surusuruin tiyan trabaho, di mo sasagutin nagtulak mo. Tapno lumang ay biyag mo. Ito'y hawa'y kamsat ko. Ririgan pinapalalo. Ito'y hawa'y kamsat ko.
Yes! Ayan. And maraming salamat
Sa mga nagbigay ng comment.
kay Sir John Abriol sa compliments na binigay. Ano pa yung mga request natin?
Or baka gusto makipag-jam si Miss Andrea sa atin. Miss Andrea, baka gusto mo mong kumanta. Or yung mga kasamahan mo na lang. Sige na. Oh, yung isang friend ni...
Ayan.
Ayan, si Sir Noy daw kakanta.
Anong ka?
Kakanta siya ng... Ay, makikipag-duet si Sir. Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Sige.
Pakikita ka lang namin, Sir. Tatay ko mapay ng adno.
Alag-duet kay nga Ruden. Oh, bakit ngayon ka lang? Tin, ikaw yung kaduet daw. Tin.
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon kailangan aking puso meron na laman?
Sana'y alaman ko na dating ka sa buhay ko. Di sana naging tayo ko.
Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay ng aking laging hawak, at hindi kanya.
At hindi kanya.
Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit pinubuksan
pa po kayo dyan.
Kakanta ulit. Ay,
Ano pong pangalan ni Sir? Ano pong pangalan ni Sir po nakakanta? Kapitan Rolly. Noli. Kapitan Noli, ayan. Si Kapitan. Pakantayin natin.
ano po sir?
Wait lang po. At isa-search natin yan.
Ihahanda lang po namin yung yung request ay yung lyrics po.
Awiting Pilipino.
Yes, ayan. Again, palakpakan naman po natin si Kapitan Noli Bermudez.
Here too. Seriously. The police. When times get rough and your dreams just want apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm to the goal. This night, to the rain. and I'll be around to understand when you stumble and fall and believe it's your death to me now. And you will do it's all, and I'll be there. You spell me hand when the road seems so long and near, and all you see is nothing but darkness. Don't give up, just walk on and faith in your heart. For my love will see you through. My love will see through when you reach for your star. When you cross the deepest sea, when you come behind the sea, my love will always be true. In everything you do, in every step you'll make, in every road you'll take. So be afraid to follow your dreams. For my love will see you through.
Yes, ayan. At syempre, meron pa tayo. Aray ko.
Yes, and siyempre batiin naman natin ang advance happy birthday kay AJ sa sa Venice
Yes,
Events and Catering Services. Okay, advance happy birthday AJ sa Venice Events and Catering Services. Okay.
Wonderful tonight. Magic, magic. Go. Ano?
And to Sir, kay Kuya Oscar Katubay.
Yes, another side B ni Kapitan Nolly Bermudez.
Baka nanonood si Kuya Oscar. Andito yung anak niya, siya yung drummer. And to Estabilio family, lalong-lalo na kay Sir John Abriol Estabilio. Ayan. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes. May kakanta? O sige, punta na po kayo dito sa harap, sir. Anong kakantayin ni Sir Glessy? Ay, my God. Ito na po. It's late.
Yeah.
It's late in the evening. Okay.
It's wonderful tonight.
Yes, siyempre. Tonight is a wonderful because
Tonight,
it's the birthday of
Andrea.
Oo.
Yes, ayan. For the second time, Kapitan Nolly.
It's late in the evening. clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and glasses her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, so I look alright. And I say yes, yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady just waiting around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I give her the keys and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn off the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful tonight.
All right, thank you so much, Sir Lexter. Okay.
Yes.
Meron pa ba tayong guest singer? Okay, sige.
Yes, meron pa tayong
Dahil
guest singer.
malapit na tayong magtapos, kaya pakantahin na natin yung ating last guest.
Yes.
Singer.
Tawagin na natin from Gabot Bado, Sir Benjo.
Benjo! Asan ka, Sir Benjo? Where are you?
Itaas ang kamay.
Sir Benjo?
Asa si Sir Benjo?
Andyan. Taga Gabot Gabot Norte, Gabot
Gabot
Sur.
Bado. Wala
Anong
na pala
kakantahin
dito.
po? Eto ga. Merong parang etong kantang to merong favorite song ni basta ewan ko yung
sakbay mampati amin na po, kaya't ko lang kablawan ti naimbag panagkasangay da ito balasang da ito kumpadre mi ni JB, ni Andrea. Thank you for inviting us. nakadanong kam dito pinili nga nanumong nga lugar yo apo. Then, ken dito nga kanta ka po kat pagpasosensya nyo lang ta pang banyo lang dito apo. Pang banyo. Yeah. Thank you.
Eto na. Ano pangalan ulit ni Sir?
Sir Benjo.
Benjo! Yes, ang cute.
Yeah.
Sir Benjo.
Lift me home, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way. For only you can bring out all the best I can do. I will give you time, make me feel real good inside. You push me on when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know that tears can help but show. You break this heart and bed is apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that a mess. The sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say, I'll be you to all the way. 'Cause it's you who feels the emptiness in me. It's everything you'll see when I know I've got you with me. Push me up, I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know that tears can help but show. Break this up and then this apart. Then suddenly the man is gone. It's your smile, your face, your lips that a mess. The sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say, I'm with you to all the way. 'Cause it's you who feels the emptiness in me. Change is everything you see when I know I've got you with me. It's your smile, your face, your lips that a mess. The sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say, I'm with you to all the way. 'Cause it's you who feels the emptiness in me. Changes everything you'll see when I know I've got you with me. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, sir.
Sir Benjo.
Okay, may isa pa pala. Okay.
Yes, ayan. Asan po si Sir Jeffrey Pascua from Gabot Norte?
Sir Jeffrey Pasqua.
Sir Jeffrey. Asan po si Sir Jeffrey? Sir, umikan, sir.
Lamay kan, sir. Tapno no, iderdiretso minto tagto pa rin.
Yes.
At malapit na din tayong ano. Okay, halika na po.
Sir Jeffrey.
Sir Jeffrey! Okay. Ay, wala na?
Wala na.
Si
Hindi
Siwit
na.
daw, si Siwit. O sige.
Okay.
Si Siwit na tayo. Para tuloy-tuloy na.
Sisiwit, sisiwit! Wow! Dali na, dali na! Aku di rumah, bukan
beat. When my fantasies fly away, bad feelings makes me stay. I see the fire in your eyes, makes my heart beat. To listen to it night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, listen to it in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. When my heart is full of love, it makes me a tunnel down. That's the game that we play night and day. When our love is clear and bright, it's a way to see the light. There's a fire in our hearts night and day. To listen to it night and day. You're my all-time lover. To listen to it in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Let's go! To listen to it night and day. You're my all-time lover. To listen to it in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Do it, listen to it night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, listen to it in a way like there is no other.
Alright, maraming salamat din pagkatapos sa amin. Once again, happy birthday kay Andrea. And congratulations to CNN!